We are now given to understand that yes, SEBI has issued a statement on the order, and SEBI has now allowed Jane Street to trade in the derivatives market as well. And what we're also given to understand is that Jane Street has been asked to comply with SEBI order and not engage directly or indirectly in manipulation or unfair trading. That's clearly a message that SEBI has given to Jane Street, even though they are allowing to trade in the derivatives market. They're also highlighted that stock exchanges have been directed to monitor trading activities of Jane Street Group following from here as well. So, Mr. Basumallick, how do you read on the settlement has happened, 4,800 odd crore rupees that was impounded, and the fines that were probably put in place have been submitted by Jane Street, and finally they have been allowed to re-enter. Over the last 3 expiries on the weekly basis, we had seen a climb down on the volumes, a turnover on the NSE as well by at least a 1/3 because of the absence of Jane Street. One, do you see that coming back? And secondly, now do you think to look at the manipulation or any misadventures being done by such hedge funds will actually fall into the courts of the stock exchanges? Do you think that will be an important part that exchanges will now have to start playing?
So I think, first of all, Jane Street coming back, was evident when, they put in, they put in the money in the account and with SEBI. And so the point here is not whether Jane Street is allowed back, etc. The question that I have in my mind is, will Jane Street continue using the same algorithms that they were using? That is unlikely, right? Because there's been question marks raised around that. So they will definitely not be using the same algorithms. So, we have to wait and see what they do and then actually see how it plays out, because definitely they will have to come out with something different, at least till this entire, the entire court proceedings, etc., that or the arbitration, whatever process it takes, till such time that concludes. I don't think that Jane Street will continue doing what they were doing before.
So even if they change the algorithm or their modus operandi of working in the derivatives market, do you think at least SEBI's now focus will be on tracking each and every move to try and find out if there is any sense of manipulation via other methods as well? Will manipulating be nearly impossible by Jane Street now?
I think definitely they will be under much higher scrutiny. So would other, large algo players as well. I'm sure that they're already under scrutiny. The larger firms who do large algo trades, large HFT trades. I'm sure that they are already under, the scanner of SEBI, so that large market manipulation is not being, done. So I think that is anyway what SEBI does, what the exchanges. Exchange risk mitigation frameworks are there to actually take care of these things.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.